Hi, everybody. This is Alan Fine, and I'm here with Alex Jackson, Director of Programming here at M Social in Times Square. Do you see it behind us? It's a good location. We're going to talk about this hotel and about the programming that Alex is coming up with here on Insider Travel Report. So, great location, and one of the reasons we're here, which we'll get to, is your programming ideas.
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully, yeah.
How does M Social fit into Millennium at large? What are the brand attributes?
Got it, yeah. M Social is going to be our more lifestyle-focused brand within the Millennium Collection, a little bit more, like as you mentioned, focused on programming. Details that the traveler that is looking for more business travel is not necessarily focused on, but we like to amplify those things and capture a new market within that, I would say.
And so now this, was this always this, and M Social, I'm sure it came, what was here before, and how long has M Social been in this location?
Well, the building has been a hotel since the 80s. It was previously Novotel. We took over in April of 2021 in the middle of the COVID pandemic. We did a renovation and opened in May of 2021 and been operating since then.
Now, how big is it? How many rooms? How many room types?
It is 480 rooms. We don't have suites at this location. We just have king rooms and doubles.
Well, the room is pretty spacious for New York. You said doubles and kings, and the decor is that lifestyle decor. How would you describe it?
I'd say on the modern side for sure. Definitely lifestyle, and we pride ourselves on having large rooms for sure. It's something that you just mentioned is kind of rare for New York as well. It's kind of hard to have a bad view from us here. Yeah. Our rooms don't start before the 8th floor, so no matter which way you're facing, it's either the river, Times Square. The views are a big part of.
And you have a desk and a couch, a refrigerator. So it's really in a safe. It's got all the amenities, and you're centrally located. So you can. It's your homestead in the middle of Times Square.
Absolutely, it's a great jump-off point. We've got local to all transportation. You can get anywhere you need to go very quickly from where we are.
So what other public facilities do you have? You have a beautiful lounge. Where you can play games. Let's talk about that for a bit.
Yeah, we do have games available in the lounge. We have shuffleboard, we have foosball. In the wintertime, actually, an activation we had an iceless curling rink here on the rooftop that was tied around the Olympics. So we're always doing fun stuff, a lot of activities, lots of things to do here at M Social.
Well, let's talk about no spa. Okay, but fitness center.
Fitness center, yes. We do have a fitness center just a floor up from where we are right now.
It's fairly large.
Quite large, accessible to all guests.
24/7?
24/7. You can get your sweat on whenever you need.
Mm-hmm. And we've seen the rooftops. I mean, it seems like you have multiple rooftops.
So it's just the one terrace. It wraps around the building. But yes, we do have this one here. There's different sections of the terrace, I'd say.
And you're also able to handle meetings and events?
Correct, yes. We do have 2 boardrooms. Mm-hmm. And events we do all the time, yeah. In our bar lounge, in this meeting space out here on the terrace, and the tented area we have right over here, lots of private events going on.
So now let's talk about, this is a full-service hotel. You have F&B. Let's talk about your restaurant and your bar.
Absolutely, yeah. Our bar restaurant, Beast and Butterflies, is the same throughout all M Social locations, so no matter which one you're visiting, you're going to find a Beast and Butterflies within it. Each one is different in the sense of what it offers, so it's unique to each location, but yeah, we have a great bar program. Frank Kayoff is our beverage consultant at the moment. He is from the Waldorf Astoria originally, wrote their bar book. He's a great resource for us here. Yeah.
And tell us about some of the signature dishes.
Yeah, so we run our restaurant all day. In the morning, every morning, we do a breakfast buffet. After that, we switch to an all-day menu, kind of something you can, for everybody there. You've got appetizers, main dishes. Some of my favorites are the fried calamari. I really love our marinara sauce. The chicken, the salmon have been just recently put on the menu for the warmer weather, which has been really great. Got steak, frites, and fries, which are amazing. A lot of great stuff. We've got a pizza, ribs. The Asian spare ribs are a new addition as well. Those have really been popular. We've got a pizza, of course, a pretzel, some New York staples you can't miss. We've got it all.
Now, we touched on it briefly before, but what are the attractions that are nearby?
Well, we are in Times Square, so I would say Broadway is probably the largest one that most people would probably know about, which has been coming back to life very recently, which we're very happy about. Rockefeller Center is very close to us here, which is just recently, it's very famous for its ice skating rink in the winter, but they most recently just put in a roller disco there, so that's been very fun for a lot of our guests. Bryant Park is nearby. You're not very far from Central Park. You can get there in about 15 minutes, and like I mentioned, every train is near us, so wherever you'd like to go, you're not too far from it.
And I'm thinking if you look really hard behind us, you can see the New Year ball.
You sure can. We do have a very unique view. New Year's Eve is a huge evening for us here. The ball drop is right there. Can't beat that view.
So now where are the other M socials?
The original one is in Singapore, and since then we've expanded to New Zealand, France, and the U.S. now.
I feel like you're targeting younger guests. Is that true?
I would say we're very open-minded about the guests. We want everybody to feel welcome here. I would say our guest is more of a mindset than an age. It's just we offer certain things that a certain minded traveler is looking for.
Let's get into your packaging because it seems to be a magnet for that. So why are we here now? What's May?
Well, May is National Sexual Wellness Month, so we decided to partner with Dame Products to create a couples kit sexual wellness package that we were so excited about. We decided to extend it through the summer, so we're not going to do it through September. We're going to call it the Summer of Love. It's just a way to have the people who are coming as groups or maybe finds the special person on their travels to enhance that stay a little bit with some.
And so everybody who comes gets what?
So anybody who participates in the package gets one of these little duo couples kits from Dame.
Tell us about Dame.
Yeah, Dame is a company out of Brooklyn. They do a lot of sexual wellness things, like I mentioned.
It's a female run since 2014.
Indeed, it is female run. They do all kinds of stuff.
So you're working with them, but now you have a lot of other packages. Maybe not as evocative as that one, but you told me something about CBD?
Yes, we are going to enter that realm. We're going to partner with Martha Stewart. Her CBD line that she's recently released will be another in-room amenity option for people. If you're stressed out after a long day, can't sleep, go right ahead and give us a call. We'll bring you up some CBD, help you put your mind at ease.
It's such a busy town. It's so vibrant. You got to calm down.
Sometimes you got to calm down, right? Sometimes it'll help.
Yeah. So, but you have other packages. Let's talk about them. Double Dip Summer, Bed and Breakfast Package, Park and Save Package, American Girl.
Oh, yeah. The American Girl. So the American Girl flagship store is just down the street from us here. If you haven't been, you should check it out. It's crazy. I'm not an American Doll owner personally, but from having visited there, it's quite a scene over there. And we've just partnered with them to anybody that comes who wants to visit the store. They can book. If believe it or not, they have spa packages, salon packages, all kinds of things for all the
For
the dolls. Yeah. So here, if you come in, you take part in that package. We'll set up a bed for your doll in your room. We kind of cater to the people who are bringing their dolls with them on their travels. Okay. So,
not to be confused with the Sexual Wellness Month dolls.
Very separate. They're
different dolls.
Different dolls.
Okay.
Different dolls. Yes.
Now, what about the package for New Year's?
Yeah, New Year's we offer a lot of different packages for that because certain people want to just come in and enjoy the party, see the view. Some people want to keep it privatized. So we have different tiers for the New Year's packages, all available on our website. Go check it out. There's a tab on our website, New Year's Eve. You click that and you'll see all the information about packages, pricing, all that good stuff.
So now we're going out to over 100,000 travel advisors. What do they need to know to sell this property?
I would say we are a new brand to the States. We're excited about being here, looking to expand our footprint, make a splash in the lifestyle sector. So, like I said, we got a lot of fun things to do here, a lot more coming up. Summer's going to be big for us here. As you can tell, our terrace is going to be a huge thing. So it's going to be a big draw. We're going to make a big impact here. So stay tuned to M Social and, come join us.
Well, thank you for talking to us and good luck to you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.